Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Today we are checking out an accessory for your MetaQuest 3S headset. These are the prescription lenses made by HonsVR. They are on sale right now for $49.95 on their website. You can use my promo code BrianSloanArtist for an extra 5% off of your purchase as well. In this video I'm going to unbox them. I'll show you how to put them on. I'll talk about the specs and give you my review of them. If you haven't checked out my other VR accessory reviews, I'll link that playlist below. Let's jump into this one. Okay, let's open this up. Okay, inside of the box we have their business card with their social media pages. Have any issues, you can scan that and call them. We got a microfiber cleaning cloth here. Has their logo on it. Nice and soft. Use that for cleaning your lenses. Got my prescription here with my order. This one has a blue light filter, as you can see. So let's open these up. Nice hard case, zipper with the logo. This is a very common case for VR lenses. It's going to protect them, but it's not overly big, which is really nice. I like that they're nice and compact. You can fit things in them. So we got the lens adapter here, big L on it for the left side, big R on it for the right side. Let's plop these out here. So here it comes apart. It's two different pieces. This is your base that's going to be mounted onto the Quest 3S there. And then this is the actual lens that attaches magnetically. You can see with these three dots there, the three dots on this side, and they attach easily right there. So to install this, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take my 3S, tilt my head strap back, there we go. And I'm going to separate these first. And if you have forgotten which one you'd taken out of the left, which one you'd taken out of the right, you can look on the little tab right here. And it is very, very small. Like I won't be able to even take a picture of it, but it has a little L on it. So you know that this is going to go on the left side. You're going to want the magnetic pieces to face upwards so that when you want to set your lens on afterwards, it'll clip right in. Obviously make sure that those are set up. On the inside of this, you can see that there are little lips or little flaps right there. And that's what's going to clip in around the lens itself. So here I'm going to take this, it's going to form around, and I'm just going to apply an even pressure around. There we go. You probably heard that little snap. To check if it's insecure or not, if you just pull on it a little bit, if it stays, then you know you're good. If it pops back off as soon as you pull on it, then you know it's not secured on tightly. So we'll do the same with the other side there. The magnetic pieces are going to be facing upward like this, with one on the bottom right corner. Again, line it up. There we go. That one went in very easily. Give it a nice little tug. It's staying in. And then to install, make sure your magnetics line up. Put that one in. Put that one in. And there we go. That's all it is. That's how you install it. And you are good to go. I'm going to go try these out, and then I'll come back and give you my review. Alright, so I've had a chance to use them. I wanted to talk about them a little bit and give you my review. So you can see I've taken off the facial interface and I've taken off the right lens. I just wanted to show you here kind of the distance that it does sit off of the regular lens. It does pop out quite a bit. Now when I was using it, it was close to not needing the glasses spacer, but I did use the glasses spacer just to make sure there was enough space and it was comfortable for use. It is really easy to use the glasses spacer, and it's much better than actually having to use glasses, in my opinion. In terms of quality, the prescription was right on. You know, they worked great in that sense. No issues with not being able to see or things being blurry or anything like that. I do like that they are magnetic clip-ons. I've tried different versions from many different companies, and some are just a lens that you clip in and clip out. It's just one piece. But with magnetic ones like this, if you're sharing your headset with somebody else and it's their turn or whatever, then you can just pop your lenses out. Back when it's your turn, you can pop them in. Then you're not taking the whole lens off with the base and everything. It makes it really easy to share. The lenses themselves, they come with their anti-glare coating, and they also are scratch resistant. Both of those are included in their price. If you want to get a blue light filter, that's an extra $10. A lens cover is $6, and engraving is $2 each if you are interested in that. But as you can see here, it comes with the case, comes with your microfiber cloth, it comes with the magnetic base and everything that you need to use them. The regular price of these is $70. It's on sale right now for $49.95 with free shipping as well, which is definitely a big bonus. And something that I've really enjoyed about HonsVR, I've been using HonsVR lenses for, I don't know, maybe a year and a half, almost 2 years now. Used them on my Quest 2, Quest 3, now the Quest 3S here. And my prescription is a little bit heavier. I'm on the far-sighted range, and a lot of companies mark that up. They charge more for high index lenses, but with HonsVR it stays that same price, which is really good. So there are some companies that look to be cheaper, but once you put your prescription in, it actually might end up being more expensive. But with HonsVR, with the sale price too, you're getting it for $49.95. Doesn't matter what your prescription is there. So that's a huge positive for them, I would say. And if you'd like to, you can use my promo code Brian Sloan Artist for an extra 5% off of your purchase on their website as well. If you wear glasses while you're playing VR and you're asking yourself, what accessory do I need to get? Prescription lenses is for sure the number one. Trying to fit glasses inside of the interface with the glasses spacer, it can be a real pain because some glasses, are too big or they're too wide or whatever. Prescription lenses is going to make your life so much easier. Just to get some. This is what I can say. HonsVR is great. Again, I've been using them for a few years. I would highly recommend them. Their customer service is also top notch. So check them out. If you have any questions about how to install or about the lenses in general themselves, please let me know in the comments below. I'm more than happy to help you out in any way that I need. Make sure you check out my other VR accessory reviews, and I'll see you next time here on Brian Sloan Artist.